Friends, I am Pulak Bagchi. Today I am going to share an important topic of the management science, that is problem solving on soft skill management. Swami Vivekananda says, in a day when you don't come across any problem, you can be sure that you are walking in the wrong path. It means problem is natural, it is normal. Our life is full of problems, big or small, in our school or in home or in our workplace. The people who succeeded to overcome the problem and the people who got stuck with this, only the difference is how they tried to solve the problem. In order to solve the problem properly, we need two things. One, creativity, other is critical thinking. Creativity helps us to get the new and innovative idea to solve the problem, whereas critical thinking helps us to find the right and actual problem solving answers out of this. Friends, if your phone battery dies before an important call, your problem is no charge. The weak solution is panicking, what I will do now. But problem solving solution is hire a power bank, borrow a charger from the others, or reschedule the call. Now critical thinking. It means thinking clearly, carefully before you act. Ask questions before you jump into the conclusion. There are three effective steps for problem solving. Step number one, to understand the problem. If you don't understand the problem, every solution may be wrong. In a school, students are getting continuously low marks. The problem may be the no study. The problem may be the no proper routing or timetable. It may be the not understanding the subject due to poor communication. Each problem has got a different solution. Then, way number two, check the facts. Don't believe on the gossip or rumors. Critical thinkers never say, I feel. They say, I have seen, I have checked. Step number three, evaluate option. Write down at least 10 probable solutions. Think of its advantages and disadvantages, whether it is practical or long-term effect. Then narrow down your 10 probable solutions into best 3. Then choose one best solution out of it. One more important thing, listen to the other people's view, which are completely different from the yours, because sometimes the best solution comes from the people who think it from the different way. Our problem solving target is more important than the personal ego. Now, creativity. Creativity is the asset of everybody. It is not only for the artist. Creativity means thinking out of the traditional way. Ask question, what happened if I do it in a different way? You may be in a position to recall that during the COVID time, all schools were closed. The problem was how to teach. Then the creative solution came out, the online classes, YouTube lectures, WhatsApp group, beside the schools. A huge number of private doctor chambers in the local area were also closed. Creative solution came out, the telemedicine. Then, way number two, combined ideas. Take two old ideas and make a new out of it. Step number three, don't be afraid of fail. Don't be afraid of fail. Creative people always try. If one idea fails, they try another. The famous inventor of the electric light, Thomas Edison, says, I didn't fail 1,000 times. I have got thousands of ways that don't work. Critical thinking and creativity are a team. Creativity is the pedal of a cycle and critical thinking is the brake. Creativity is the accelerator of a scooter or motorcycle and critical thinking is its brake. If you use only the creativity, you will get hundreds of new ideas but without plan. Whereas if you use only the critical thinking, you will reject all the new ideas. So it is always better to use both. Smart problem solvers are using both. A company is getting low sale. The creative idea was, let us sell on online, let us sell on YouTube, let us sell on Instagram. But critical thinkers say, who is our customer? Do they use online? Do they use YouTube or Instagram? Then what will be the cost of all this? Together you get a smart and new solution. Friends, 3 steps for your daily life. When you get a problem, you just take 5 minutes pause before you react. Think over it. Think a lot. Then tips number 2. Write it down on the paper. Write it down on the paper because problem always looks small in the paper. Write down the problem, its cause and 3 probable solutions. Then tips number 3. Ask for the people's feedback. 2 minds are always better than 1. Nobody knows everything, but everybody knows something. If you put the ideas together, you will know many things. Friends, problem will never stop coming, but we can get ourselves better. We can get ourselves well equipped to solve the problem. Every problem has got a proper solution. You just have to find it. Thank you.